In this Overland Australia episode, we cover Western Australia from the Valley of the Giants to the Leeuwin National Park.
This would be my treehouse if I was going to live in a hollow tree.
Nice trees, but what do they look like from the top?
My stomach is a little bit upset.
Why? It's just
Shaking too much.
it's like being on a boat.
Exactly.
The good news is that after this strenuous, exciting, thrilling treetop walk, we get to have lunch.
Does this count as a peak?
It's the famous round rock of Albany. It's bad news for whales.
What to do on a rainy day?
Cold and we can't go to the beach, and it brings me to the war museum. Blech.
But this is what every boy likes. Guns! Big guns!
Let's go look at the lookout.
Boring.
Weirdo!
Next stop. Christina doesn't like caves.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Done with the cave, move on. Very picturesque. All we need now is something ancient to add some history to this site. Wow, a slime machine.